Today I will show you how you can switch to a business account on TikTok. So first of all, let's head over to our TikTok. Once we open it up right here, we can now head over to our profile. Now we want to click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. Once we do this, we need to select settings and privacy. And now we will need to select account right there at the top. Once we do this, as you will notice, there is an option now to switch to business account. Click on the option right there. And then once we click on this, you will be redirected over to this page. Click on next again, click on next again, and then click on next for one final time. Once we do this, you can now choose the category that your business does lie in. So for me, I will just choose education and training, for example, and then click on next. Once you do this, you can then add your email address, or you can click on skip, whichever you prefer. Click on create now, and then as you can see, that will mean that you've now created your TikTok business account. So it's just that simple. That's how you can switch to a TikTok business account.